Hello everybody, Luke here, the creator of Lino Library Manager. Thank you so much for all the support, appreciation, activity in the Discord and bug report, feature request, everything. I really appreciate it. I've been reading all your mails or your bug and feature requests, and I've been working really hard on making Lino the best library manager around. So thank you for clicking on this video, and today I thought showing you around a bit and showing you a sneak peek of some new features coming in Lino 1.3. So let's get started. If you haven't noticed, I've altered some things here. I've added this global little menu to the left side. Here you can switch themes if you want, like before, and you also find your icon buttons here that were here before. I find that kind of a little bit better and more scalable when I add more stuff. So let's pick a theme. I personally really like this green one. Lately I've been using it. And as you see, we don't have any libraries right now. So let's navigate to my new little rework, or not little, I've been spending like 2 weeks on it. But let's navigate to settings. And instead of browsing for a path now, we have a library type system. So we have two library types. One is a manual path, which you select. And that's how it works now. You select the parent folder, Lino scans all your games and adds them. But we also have a new thing, and that's Steam library support, and that I'm really excited for. So, but first, let's just add a library folder. This is how it works now. So you click here, and you can select either in the individual game folders or the single folder libraries. So this is how it works now. You pick one folder, like this folder right here, and Lino registers each game within that folder, or each subfolder as a game, basically, and then picks the exes file for the games, like that. But for all Emodec users all out there, I added a single folder library as well. It's not like I personally use, but it's really good for if you have many games in one folder. Picking this option scans all of the extension files that you add in your emulation in settings, and then assigns them as games. So it doesn't register a subfolder as the game, but rather the game file. And that's great for emulated games. But now we can just add the individual game folders like it works now. Pick next, and then you can write your Steam library here, for example, and then you can click browse, common, your Steam library like that, and click select folder like that, and add library. Oh, that was a bug, please ignore that. But here you can see all my Steam games that I currently have locally. And this is how Lino works right now. It just registers the local games as your installed games. And you have to have a server for the uninstalled cloud features. But what's new here that I'm really excited about, that's if you click library, import from platform. So a little bit bad contrast here, but it's something I will fix. Here you can click authenticate with Steam and check this animation out. It took me too long to say, actually, to implement, so I hope you like it. But here on my second screen I see Steam, and here I can log in. So please, if this doesn't work, it's because I've tried this too many times, because I've been debugging this feature today. But let's try it out. I click sign in. Yeah, so it says you have too many requests. But in the best case here, if you haven't had too many requests like me, the developer, your games will be automatically imported as a library here. But I can show you how it works. So basically what would happen is that if I add a new folder, let's pretend this is, let's say this is Lucas Steam library, like this. And let's pick a new folder, and we click add library. What will happen is that this is a bit buggy, but it will import all your Steam games like this, even the ones that are on your account but not installed, and show them in the library. And then I will add a feature to install and uninstall Steam games from Lino, so you don't have to mess with Steam. So this is how it looks right now. These are all my games right now. But yeah, let's try again. I have to get so many comments right here. Let me see. Platform, authenticate with Steam. Let's try again. Yeah, okay, this worked. Now it works. So let's just remove this old folder. And now we see all my Steam games right here, even the ones I don't have on my PC. And that's new for Lino 1.3. So if we navigate to the library, you can see many games that are not installed. And those are in Steam, but not local on your PC. And this week I will be implementing so you can right click any game and pick install game or uninstall game to install them using Steam. And I'm really excited about that. But for now, it's a bit buggy, but I'm working hard on getting this right. So, and also you can click, if you add a new game, for example in Steam or your local library, you can click right here and click refresh, and it will refresh the library and add or remove games you have changed. So that you can do. You can also click edit to change the name. You can even change the path of your local libraries and also select what would happen to the games that get lost if you want to remove or keep them in the database. Yeah, that's basically it. So enough said about that. Thanks so much for tuning in to this little casual update. And if you have any questions, just email me at hello@lino.games, and I will get back to you. Or just go into the help section right here and send me a request, or join my Discord channel. Yeah, I don't have a license, which is kind of ironic. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you.